guys, welcome back to my channel. So आज है day 3 actually, and day 4 actually, and कल से मेरी joining होने वाली है for work, and now I'm preparing my lunch. सुबह में for breakfast I made chapati and I had it with chai black tea because I don't have a fridge yet. So तभी सुबह के breakfast के time पे I made chapati for my lunch and dinner as well. So now I'm going to make my bhaji for chapati. So here what I'm making. I'm making a dry potato kind of a bhaji. So I'll show you the process. Abhi I've just put some oil in kanda. So abhi na I'll be joining my new work. So I'll be needing a tiffin. तो मेरे पास है नहीं. तो I was thinking कि क्यों ना मैं विशाल मेगा मार्ट जाके अपने लिए एक टिफिन लेके आऊँ. But I've never gone there before. तो मैं अभी अकेले वहाँ पे जाने वाली हूँ. So let's see how that goes. So मैं अभी अभी नहा के आई थी. So my hair is very white and fresh. It is not like मैं विशाल मेगा मार्ट में पहली बार जा रही हूँ. But it is like I'm going there for the first time alone. So it's quite special. With the help of this, with this. This is what it is looking right now. अभी मैं जो भी यहाँ पे मैंने पैसे सीखे हैं ना, इसको I was thinking about white print लगा के डबल print येलो किया है. I wanted a pic like this हुई है, but वहाँ पे जगह ही नहीं है. Anyways, I'm currently sitting right in front of my balcony. यहाँ से ना मुझे एक बीच का व्यू दिख रहा है. दिखाओ. So it is currently 8 o'clock over here and मेरा काम अभी ख़त्म हुआ है and घर जाते हुए मुझे ये नर्सरी दिखी, प्लांट नर्सरी, एंड मेरे घर के लिए आई नीडेड अ तुलसी का प्लांट, तो आई एम ओवर हियर बाइंग इट. सो आई विल शो यू. पहले मैं इस प्लांट नर्सरी का पूरा टूर दे दूँ आपको. दे हैव डिफरेंट वैरायटीज एंड ऑल. तो मेरा तुलसी वहाँ पे रेडी हो रहा है. मैंने बोला भैया आपको प्लांटर में डाल के दे सीधा मिट्टी के साथ एक दिन बस. That's my two. This is my bag. I will give इसका भी टूर घर जाके. जो दिस इज माई वर्क बैग. लाइट थोड़ी कम है यहाँ पे. But यहाँ से I took the planter for 50 rupees and तुलसी का plant was 100. So total 150. हाँ. So hi you guys. मैं अभी घर पहुंची and I'm really tired. मेरे पास माइक है हाथ में. And it's really super great of me to take an effort to put a mic and to show you my haul. So I got my Mazdoori ka bag. Unpack it and let's see what I have in this. So I'll unpack it with y'all because I thought it will be special because I have no one to share this with. So I'll share. So पीछे मेरी कंपनी का लोगो है. So I might not show that. सबसे पहले we have this jacket. I'll open it and I'll show you. मेरे का है just. दूसरे it is a lot of pamphlets of a shirt and मेरी और 2-3 ऐसे shirt आने वाले हैं extra, but for now I have this. So they have given me a tablet as well. So I'll be working on this, reporting and stuff. So yep, this is about this bag. So I'll be wearing it like this. So bye. I'll go get freshened up. I'll have shower. Then I'll have my dinner. And yep, that's about today. I also got a tulsi and मैंने लाके बाहर रख दिया है. I will show you tomorrow. Good morning, you guys. तो आज है I don't know what day, but it is second day of my work and मैं उठ गई हूँ 7 बजे. So I have freshened up and अभी I'll get ready and have my breakfast जो कल का सुबह का बनाया हुआ चपाती है. I've not made it fresh today because I was so tired yesterday that I came. It was so late that I had no energy to make anything and I don't have a fridge to store. So let's see if that chapati works for us. If no, then we'll go hungry. So my energy is a little bit drained because today is Friday and I fast on Friday. तो अभी मैंने पूजा कर ली है भगवान की एंड अभी मैं जा रही हूँ मेरा खाना खाने. सुबह से मैं इतनी भूखी थी तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना डोसा ऑर्डर कर लूँ. हियर आई ऑर्डर फ्रॉम उडुपी रेस्टोरेंट. आई विल सी इफ इट इज़ गुड एंड अगर ये अच्छा है तो अब की बार से maybe I'll try few more places. This is Kumkum मैंने पूजा की थी अभी so that's it. So I'll try a few more restaurants or whatever, wherever I get dosas, and I'll choose the best one. I'll fix to it forever. So yep, let's see how it goes. So मैं दिखाती हूँ डोसा आपको मेरा. So this is the dosa. ये चटनी बहुत ही तो मैंने दूसरे कोटे में डाल लिया है. मैं निकाल के यहाँ पे रख दूँगी. So this is the dosa, masala dosa I ordered. This is chutney and this is their sambar. Let's check it out. And I'm having it with black tea. लाइट्स वगैरह मैंने बंद कर लिया है एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू वॉच लॉकअप. Happy birthday to me. And this is my dosa. वो सब तो ठीक है बट आई वॉज वॉचिंग दिस नेटफ्लिक्स पे लॉकअप एंड वाई डज गोविंदा लुक लाइक मी. People who know me would relate. Doesn't he little bit look like me? Oh, sorry, I look like him. I had dosa, but it was solid 3/10 because जो मैं डोसा मेरे घर खाती थी वो तो ये वाला डोसा तो उसको लगता भी नहीं था कि आई रियली मिस आंटी का डोसा यार यू गाइस. वालपुर जब जाऊँगी जब सबसे पहले वही खाऊंगी मैं. But anyways, I'll see other sources of dosa and फिर then I'll decide कौन सा मैं continue करूँगी. But ये वाला तो never and it was expensive also. But anyways, if it was good, I could have at least twice or thrice a month. So, but no, not this one. I'll try another one soon. बहुत दिनों से in my vlogs I have been having black tea, black tea, black tea, black tea and nothing innovative for eating. So it was for the reason कि मेरे पास fridge नहीं था. So today is the day that I go and book a fridge for me. I'm going to book a Samsung one. There has been a day where I went to the showroom and I already saw what I want. So अभी time है कि मैं जाऊँ and book करके आऊँ ताकि वो fridge आ सके. So they said they take 2 days for the delivery. So today is Friday and on weekdays I'm not at home and there's nobody who can take the delivery thing. So I'm going to go today. So today is Friday and I'm going to book it for me and वो Sunday आने वाला है. बचपन से आदत है दूध वाली चाय पीने की. But I think it's been a week that I have been having black tea and अभी मुझे उसकी आदत हो गई है. I'm naturally very adapted to new things. So yep, I'm adapted to the black tea now. But the matter is, I make cooking videos as well. If you go on my shorts and see, there are lines of cooking videos, and for that I need storage and some things like beet, mirchi, or be it milk or paneer or cheese for that matter requires fridge for storage. So for that matter, I want to get it because my shorts shouldn't go to waste. So yep, that's one thing. And second thing is I need to get up early to just do prepare करने के लिए because I have chapatis because other you guys again I can have poha but I don't feel full with poha. So if in case my lunch is shifted to further hours of the day, so I want to survive, right? So I have chapati, two chapati, basic. So I have two chapatis and I go, right? So for that I need to wake up early just to I can do prepare the dough and stuff. So what I was thinking, if I have a fridge, I can prepare the dough a night before. I can just store it in the fridge, and the next day I can just roll it out and eat it. So I was getting fridge for that also because it consumes a lot of my time. And एक तो मेरे पास washing machine भी नहीं है तो कपड़ा वपड़ा मुझे सब हाथ से धोना पड़ रहा है तो it takes a lot of my time. I underestimated my mother a lot. जब भी मुझे सब overwhelmed होने लगता है ना I cry my heart out because I miss my mother. short too. So yeah, just to ease my work, I feel like such investments are not bad investments. So I'm going for that, and I think it will be very useful. It will save my time, and instead of wasting my money, hard-earned money on something else, I think this is the best option for now. And with time, maybe we will get other things as well. So yeah, see what kind of fridge I've ordered and what kind of fridge I've ordered. So let's go. Mother bolti hai, I'm feeling emotions. But anyways, she'll be proud of me. I can't tell her this आगे से, but she knows I love her. I love my father. I love my siblings. I love everyone. See y'all later. So this is my current hulia. I need to clean the almirah का mirror and I'll quickly change. मैं सनका गई हूँ and I just had dosa which was bad, which was very bad. 3 on 10, minus 3 on 10. But that's food, I can't say it. Anyways, I'll see y'all later after I get ready. And let's go. I'm in the Chroma showroom and I've decided for one fridge. Abhi I got back and there were two options under my budget. That was Samsung ka and higher hair, whatever. So, but the Samsung was a display piece and uska stock available nahi tha and that would come after 15-20 days. And higher ka was almost same, just 2000 ka difference tha. And it was just a brand difference. So I feel like higher was also fine. So it was available. So I ordered that and it will be coming on Monday. So 2 दिन लगेगा delivery के लिए, Saturday, Sunday. So it will come on Monday. So yeah, let's see how it goes. मुझे पता नहीं एग्जैक्टली मैं कब क्या शूट करी हूँ बट टुडे मेरे लैंडलॉर्ड ने शिफ्टेड द बर्तनों का रैक फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर. नॉट शिफ्टेड दैट बिकॉज इट इज ओवर हियर. जब वो ड्रिलिंग मशीन वगैरह आएगा दैट टाइम इट विल बी ओवर हियर एंड अभी इट इज यहाँ पे आई विल पुट अप द फ्रिज जो मंडे आएगा. So yeah, now it is changed from here to here and it is already attached. So I'll have to set up it again. Some पूरा मुद्दा रखा है. So guys, chopping walnut truffle guys. Tasty chicken wheels. And yeah.